Good afternoon. My name is Josué Alejandro Gómez Montemayor, and my teammates are Rebeca Torres Galindo and Danae Michelle Ruiz Rosas. Today, we are going to talk about a country. We choose Canada because he is a very interesting looking place to visit and know about. And let's talk a little about the Canada history. Canada history begins with the indigenous cultures that inhabited the region for thousands of years before the arrival of Europeans in the 15th century. Europeans explorers began arriving in the region, and in the 16th century, France established a colony in Quebec, Canada. In 1763, Great Britain seized the region, and after several decades of fighting, the Confederation of Canada was formed in 1867 years. If you don't believe it, Canada is a really big country. Canada is the second largest country in the world by land area after Russia. Canada has a total area of 9,984,670 square kilometers, which is equivalent of the approximately of 6.7% of the total area of the world. That it's a lot. Also, the world's largest freshwater lakes, the Lake Superior, is located in Canada and is one of the five Great Lakes in North America.
Now we are going to mention some of the famous people that from Canada. First one is Alana Miles. He is a hard rock singer from Toronto. Ryan Reynolds, an actor from Vancouver. Sandra Oh, an actor from Ottawa. Ryan Gosling, an actor and musician from London, Canada. Avril Lavigne, singer from Bell, Canada. And Keanu Reeves, an actor and musician from Beirut, Lebanon. And now we have some places of interest. The first one is the Banff National Park, that is one of the oldest parks in Canada, and is established in the Rocky Mountains in 1885. Then we have the CN Tower, that is a self-supporting broadcast tower, the tallest in America, with a height of 553.3 meters. It was the highest in the world from 1975 to 2007. Then we have the Niagara Falls, that actually is a city too, with the same name as the falls, and is connected to the United States to the Rainbow Bridge. And finally, we have the Jasper National Park, that is one of the largest national parks within Alberta's Rocky Mountains. First, it was established as a Jasper Forest Park in 1907, renamed as a national park in 1930, and declared an UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1984, that is located in north of the Banff National Park and west of Edmond. The park contains the glaciers of the Columbian Icefield, springs, lakes, waterfalls, and mountains. Now we are going to talk about two of the most famous places in here.
Well, the first place to most famous in Canada is Banff National Park. It's a park located south of the Rocky Mountains in Alberta. It's the most visited park in the country due to the beauty of the landscape. For example, the Peyto Lake is the one of the most spectacular place to see, and you can see the star writings and the turquoise color of the water. The second is the most popular and famous place in for Canada is Niagara Falls. Is the one of the largest falls on the planet, composed of three waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. During the holidays, the water of the waterfalls is painted in colors, accompanied by fireworks. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and we all expect to you have nice day and weekend.